Loud snoring, gasping, or choking at night? That's not just snoring. It could be sleep apnea, waking up tired after a full night's sleep. Your brain might be starved of oxygen overnight. Headaches, mood swings, or memory problems. Chronic oxygen loss can affect your brain health. Untreated sleep apnea raises the risk of stroke, heart failure, and diabetes. It's more serious than people think. If your partner notices choking or pauses in your sleep, get tested. Sleep studies can save lives. Sleep apnea doesn't just steal your sleep, it steals your health. Snoring is the warning. Don't ignore it.